Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the day which I will show you my new painting again, and this is the one that I was showing you in previous video of Welcome to My Life. The painting which I was working on, this one is now finished, totally oil painting, and let's check it out today. So yes. Actually, I'm not working so frequently with oil colors, so this one is really special, and I think it's quite interesting. So the backstory of this painting is, we can see it. The backstory of this painting is that, like I said in previous video, while I was doing Kundalini yoga, it's a yoga when we are focusing on our back and moving the energy through our back, through our spine to this crown chakra, like to recharge the chakras and to balance them. But I think that what this is doing is to balancing our energy, and when we find this balance we can find a true peace of mind. And while that, I saw this painting. I saw a picture of a body separated on front and back side, and in the middle side is this light body which is here with all those energy spots which we have, and this circle around it, this is our aura, if I said it right, like this energy field which is around us. We are this energy, we are everything, like body, and everything is energy, and this is what this painting represents. So it's really ended up really amazing, because at the middle of the creating this one, I thought that maybe it's not gonna work, because it was truly hard at some points, and like I never did this big painting with oil colors, which is much harder than acrylic ones because the drying is much longer and the whole process is different. So you need to wait that the colors will dry, and while that, it's many different layers, and when you put like 5 layers on the canvas, the painting still looks like you did almost nothing, like no difference. So that's why for me it was much harder, but still I'm so happy with the outcome, and also with the feedback on Instagram. I'm really happy for all of you who supporting me and who writing me like what you see and what you feel in my paintings. I'm really happy for that, so thank you guys. So now when the painting is finished, I will also post the video of the painting it, so you can see how all the process went. And I can also tell you that from now on the reproductions, which are prints on the canvas, are available in many different sizes, so you can also check it out on my Etsy shop. I just published it also there. Or you can just contact me and we will talk about the price and the size and everything. It's worldwide shipping, so it's not a problem. And I think this is it for this video, and in my next video stay tuned for the painting process of this one. So this is it. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.